What's up guys, it's me Jack and today we are back in Universe Sandbox. So today what we're going to do is mess with the earth again, but this time we are going to cause some impact. We're going to add some silly, just very random disasters. So we're just going to make Britain daytime, and first of all we are going to launch an object. So we're going to launch a watermelon. Apparently, a watermelon might impact the earth somehow. Well, obviously, because it could go like really fast, which can cause a lot of pressure. But I'm not really sure that's always the reason. But I'm gonna sort of aim it at India. Put that watermelon there, aiming at India. The earth will literally appear massive. Like this is a watermelon, as you can see. So we are going to just see what impact it causes, and of course it's not gonna hit the bloody, like it's not really gonna hit it. It's not hitting India because obviously it's very far away. Like the speed is slowly getting, it's gradually getting faster. That watermelon will cause impact. Breaking news to the earth. Breaking news to the earth, particularly Asia. Careful, beware. I think Australia and Oceania as well. Oceania and Asia, beware. There's a massive watermelon about to crash into Earth. It may cause an impact. It may cause disaster. And will kill everyone, possibly. And yeah, that's what's going to happen. Beware. Beware. A massive 10-kilogram watermelon is going to bash into the Earth. It's going 9, but almost 10 kilometers per second, and it's about to crash. It's having a lot of issues right now, so this is world news worldwide, particularly Asia and Oceania. Or it may not cause impact, but still seeks shelter instantly because this thing is going to go just below our atmosphere. The status right now, it's not far off. Y'all can probably see the watermelon. Right, okay, I'm going to try, see if I can find it. I'm going to go to Taiwan, I think. Taiwan. What the hell? I can't go to Taiwan. Okay, let's just go here. Can I see the bloody watermelon? What the hell is this? Oh, okay. I still cannot see a thing. What the hell? Is this even Taiwan? I don't know. Watermelon. 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 It's about to crash into the earth. It's just going to kill everyone. It's gonna kill us, all of us. Be aware. Be aware. Be aware. Shockwave. There'll be a huge shockwave. So I'm guessing that will probably bash into, I assume that's gonna bash into sort of like the Philippines. I think that's about to hit the Philippines. I think that's where it's hitting. Like Taiwan is like there. It's going to probably one of the next islands, or basically the Philippines. I think. Let me actually see what the watermelon is facing. Like this is only half a second per second. Like this is actually very fast. I'm actually gonna see what that's aiming at. So it looks like it's not far from Taiwan. It's actually just in the middle of the ocean. That's all it's doing. It's kind of sort of between like Japan and the Philippines, I think. I can never tell what the country that is, but that is between Japan and another, and it's kind of going more towards sort of Taiwan, but it's not really. So just going to open that, land, find our place. Like Taiwan will have some fun here. Actually, no, it's gonna have a lot of disasters because this is an entire life-threatening situation. It's going to cause huge impacts for the planet. Well, bye bye. It's about to land like somewhere around here. I think. Well, everybody's dead. In about less than a second. Crap. That Warman's about to land. That's like 100 altitude away. Bam! Impact! Impact! Yeah, we will probably feel a shockwave coming towards us. Right, we're gonna sort of fly. I can see the impact right there. But I still don't think anyone from Taiwan can see anything here. Because it's not big, it's not that big. If you're kind of in the middle of the ocean or a certain altitude, you can see it. It's actually starting to peak here. There's a peak, which is going to cause more impact for the planet. Uh-oh. It's rising up again. This is literally less than a second. It's getting there. Everybody, it's getting there. So I think I'm at China right now. It's gonna pass Taiwan eventually. But yeah, that area is quite impacted. This is some rock right there. It's impacted. It literally is going a certain direction. Uh-oh. I think Taiwan's about to be impacted. Oh, yeah, Taiwan is gone. I'm gonna go to the UK, see how Britain's doing. I don't know if it's gonna do very, very well though, because most of Asia is gone. Now, apparently, Saudi Arabia has, or the United Emirates, whatever, it literally has a massive lake. Yeah, most of Europe has quite a few lakes. I think that gap is going to be bigger. Or did they just build a random bridge? I'm actually going to land in Britain. I'm going to see whatever is happening in Britain right now. So we're just going to land and see what happens. It should come. Uh-oh, heck. And my thingy there, it's like a glowing bloody orange. Y'all probably can't see because that's where my camera usually is, so unfortunately y'all probably can't see it, but here it does say that there is a lot of impact going on. I can see that Asia is getting more floods. Like, Asia's getting a lot of flooding right now. India's gone, China is gone, I think Japan is gone. Some of Russia has been flooded. That one watermelon caused a flipping impact. Australia is going, New Zealand will be impacted soon. Most of the Philippines is gone. The Philippines is literally gone. Africa is sort of fine, but has a massive lake, unless that's a normal thing. I think it's normal. I'm pretty sure it does have like a lake or something. Well, yeah, there it goes. Like, so the planet is impacted. But now, we are just going to see what time is going on now. So, how is the Earth going to survive this? This is literally 3 minutes per second. And more land is being flooded. In quite a high rate. In a really high rate of flooding. Yeah, most of the other countries are being flooded. Turkey's about to be flooded. A lot of Russia's gone. Iceland looks like a flipping wasteland. Unless it actually just looks like that in general. The Pacific is gone. The USA is not really impacted. It's not impacted yet. Because obviously it's not like in that sort of direction. Like Britain would get the first hit before the US. But now more of Africa is gone. Turkey somehow survives. I don't know how. I don't know how Turkey survives. I actually don't understand how. Actually, no. The bloody like Nepal and this whole mountain range where Mount Everest is somehow not flooded, and I'm not surprised by that because obviously it has the highest terrain out of the lot. Like that will probably be one of the last ones to go. But this is just a huge island full of mountains now. I just have four and like a lot of literal mess. Like a lot of Africa is still being flooded. I'm actually just gonna turn these lights on so you can see what's happening. A lot of Pacific is gone. There's that one lonely island. I'm kind of surprised. Oh gosh, now the US is getting a bit of impact, particularly sort of where California. Actually, no, it's not that bad. Nevada has a lot of lakes now. Sort of Washington, I think, and some of one of the Canadian states is being gone. So yeah, there's a lot of massive lakes in the middle of the US. France is barely impacted. Germany is though. A lot of Denmark is gone. Norway is like the only country that survived that, and maybe a tiny bit of Sweden, but it's mostly Norway. Finland's gone. Russia is entirely gone. The huge country. This will become a flipping, I don't know, like a literal wasteland, a flooded. It's like a whole oceanic planet. But time to launch another melon, and we are going to see what that impacts. Because obviously this is. Oh crap! Uh-oh. Yeah, now this first one was bad, but this is even worse. Because this is our second flood. It's going to impact a lot. I bet that might be flooded by that. I think everything will be flooded. Where the bloody hell did everything go? Not much affected. Nothing that was affected. That island. I'm launching another one near that island because that's done nothing to it. How is that island surviving? Right, okay, I'm gonna have to sort of send a huge watermelon. So it's gonna be like twice as heavy as it is. I'm gonna make it twice the mass. Because that's doing nothing to the planet. Times 2. Radius times 2. So this is just gonna make it heavier. Well, this is it right there. 57 seconds. Then everybody is screwed. I'm actually gonna go to see what happens in the UK. I actually want to know. But this is actually at night time. So, and it's more closer to the US. It's in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. I'm gonna go to Britain again and see what happens. I know nothing may happen to the UK, because obviously it's like the most, I don't know, one of the safest areas of the world somehow. It's like it's been barely even been affected, Britain. It's like one of the least affected. Oh, I think impact just happened here. Oh, that's bad. Crap. Oh, yeah, it's actually glowing again. I should probably see some in the west. I think I should see something. Even though it's like in the opposite side of the world. Even though it's like straight underground. Impact. Just lots of impact. Crap. Yeah, that's not nice at all. I'm gonna go to the USA and see what's happening here. Is that the US? That's Greenland. Oh, okay. So most of the US is okay. Where's the sun? I really don't understand stuff like this. Why does it just look so miserable? It's one of the things I don't get. And if you go down, more down the ocean, impact, you will see a lot of impact. Da-dong. Yeah, you're crapped. You're fricked if that happens. Oh my gosh. A lot of particles. It's like another. It's like a whole. I don't know how to explain this. This is like just a nuke impact more than anything. I can tell the US is somehow barely being impacted. I think South America will probably get to it eventually though. That's literally done nothing. Okay, that's very odd in my opinion. I'm so confused why that's not happening. Like, this is like the middle of the Pacific Ocean and nothing's happened. Come on, alright, at this point, I'm actually gonna launch an asteroid. Now, that should definitely cause impact. That's because obviously an asteroid is heavy. The Earth Killer, I'm gonna call this. Can I somehow rename that? The Earth Killer. NASA, help us. NASA, help us. Yeah, because I remember that NASA has like pushed an asteroid out of the way so it did not impact our planet. I remember that. Like, NASA, you need to do something about this. Well, what if I actually added like another that's sort of gonna collide with that? So technically that would maybe cause something else? I don't know. Oh my god, they're barely even bashing into each other at all. Or are they? Gravity should do something, but that is just moving away. Mate, that's just terrible. Damn it. Okay, let me delete that. But that will cause some impact. Uh-oh. All them asteroids are going to kill Earth. What the hell? Okay, this is definitely going to kill Earth. I just know it. It will. It's gonna kill our planet because, well, obviously, like, look how many bloody particles that is. I think it's even gonna lag my game a little bit. Is that even going towards Earth? It's flying into Earth, yes, apparently. Apparently that's going to Earth. This is like smaller asteroids, but obviously they're crashing into the Earth. Well, prepare to die, all. Yep, y'all are going to die. And these are way heavier than my watermelon. Each and one of these asteroids will proper kill it. Ooh. A blue shockwave. I'm like, how? How's that not bashing into Earth? Oh. Crap, this world is screwed. Where's everything else? Damn, I think Britain might be getting it. But now, the USA has got an impact. The United States of America has a lot of impact. Okay, now unfortunately I'm going to send an asteroid to in the middle of the Atlantic. And make that a huge meteor shower. Wait, no, I intended it to, well, crap. That's not gonna go well, is it? I'm actually turning clouds off, so, because I can't even see anything. Why does this atmosphere just make it look miserable? Oh, crap. Yeah, the Britain is now dead. It's going to die. This is like an hour in already. Flipping heck, it took parts of East Anglia, it took a bit of Lincolnshire down, it took almost the Midlands. I think that's like the Midlands. Like, East Anglia's gone, Northumberland's gone, Kent is gone, London's gone, I think. But now it's just going to impact more areas. I'm actually going to set it go for days on end. Yeah, nothing happened to the rest of the country. At this point, I'm actually just going to just send an asteroid everywhere. Boom, boom, boom. Huge meteor shower. Boom, 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 boom. Oh crap. Boom, boom, boom. Crap. Why does it keep doing that? But anyways, these are going to be the Earth's asteroid killers. More than one. So this is the Great Earth Depression. Not the Great Depression in America, the Great Earth Depression. And yeah, we're screwed. Yeah, where's the asteroids gone? Oh my gosh. Now we are going to actually kill Earth. We are going to send all of these, not on launch, but it's going to go towards Earth. We're forcing these to go to Earth. Crap. Earth escaped. Yeah, you ain't getting me, mate. Like you ain't getting me. Kill it! Kill, 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 kill. Yeah, this planet is going to be impacted. Palace. Aha! World impacts. Yeah, that's doing nothing. Mars is apparently bashing into Earth. Yep, I knew that happened. It's a second sun. There's a freaking second sun in our solar system. Yeah, now Earth is dead. It's forever gone. What happened to that? Is that one of the asteroids I just summoned? That I'm not surprised that it's just. Why did that not crash into the sun? I'm gonna make more. Oh, these are my sets of asteroids. Crap. Okay, and now a lot of Marses are going. I think one of the Mars might collide with our real Mars. Just it's getting to their zones a little bit there. But we are gonna get ourselves a second sun. Yes, and I mean a second one. Get all the attractions for all the further planets. Oh, supernova. Yeah, all them planets are going forever. Bye bye all. Okay, so we are gonna end this video here while all this supernova is happening. The world has reset officially. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe on if you want to. And this is our final gaming video done for the next few months. And later on, I'm just gonna make a reminder video. So yeah, I'll see you guys then.